afternoon, y'all. It's another hot summer evening. Well, it's not hot, it's really warm outside. It's overcast and all of that good stuff. I'm on my way to the Montreal Gardens with my baby. Say hi now.
Hello.
I'm on my way to the Montreal Gardens. It's been years since I've gone up there. I really love going up there because the air up there is on another level. Like, it is so refreshing, it is so clean, you know, and all of that stuff. So I'm really excited, you know, to go up there today. Right now, some rose corn here just bought. I love me some rose corn. Tastes so good.
Yeah, you can eat them ingredients.
Ouch, because you say you did not want. I'm gonna try my corn because it's a very long drive out to the gardens, and I hate long drives. Food helps me with long drives, so yeah. It's been years since I came up in this area. Oh, that is so beautiful. So beautiful. Listen, it's a crime to wear mask up here because of how clean the air is. This is so amazing, so amazing. So why were you walking on the grass?
Just this one.
Oh. Wow, this is beautiful.
That's why I wear long pants, you know.
Why do you need to tell me to wear a long thing?
Wow.
Ah!
Look at this. This is so fun. Oh my god.
Yeah, look at my legs, they're wet. I didn't even know down here was gonna be so wet. I should have known to wear a long pants because it's always raining up here. I'm coming. Oh gosh. This is beautiful. So much better than the botanical gardens.
Come on, baby.
Guys, I'm on my way up. I am so tired. I'm not scared. I'm just tired. Like, I don't know why this young man did not notify me. Did not tell me to wear long pants and some sneakers or something. He's well prepared. Like, look at him, long pants and sneakers, and I'm in a little dress. Yeah, I didn't know I was coming in a whole rainforest. I just thought we were going to be in the garden side and what's not, you know, take pretty pictures, but the young man have me hiking a whole rainforest. Nonetheless, it's really beautiful. I love it. It's relaxing. I had a pain somewhere here and the pain is gone. That is to tell you, you know, how nature, ouch, ouch. That is to tell you how nature just takes all of your pain away, all of your worries and all of that stuff. Like, this is so therapeutic. It's healing. Yeah, healing, healing, healing. You don't need you know, painkillers and all of that stuff from the pharmacy because we have it all right here in nature. This is amazing, y'all. Amazing. And if you know me, y'all know I'm a nature girl. I love nature. I can't find him. Keldon! Okay, I'll just follow the path. Oh, you're hiding. You look at he hiding. Like, seriously? I wasn't scared. Why? I could have just followed the path and got back. Therapy at its best. Back to civilization.
It's big, I know.
Well, probably next time when I am dressed properly, when I'm dressed for hiking, we can do that. But right about now, my skin is itching. That's beautiful. My skin is itching. So how are you enjoying your vacation?
Good.
Good. He's on vacation. So he's spending time with his baby, future baby mama. This is beautiful. Did you enjoy your tour?
Yeah.
You sure? Yes, you did. It was so refreshing, y'all. Refreshing. Therapy at its finest. So, meow. Meow, meow. Come go home with me. Meow. 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 Look, mommy here. Meow. This breeze is so clean. Breeze is so good. Y'all, I'm just here and I'm like, y'all, looking at all of these beautiful mountains. Like, when I think, like this is so amazing. Like, I don't know what to say, but this is really proof that there is a God. Like, it is so amazing. Like, excuse my I'm not even crying, I'm just my eyes just running water. Like, this is so amazing. Like, who can say that there is no God? Like, there is a God. There has to be some being that created all of this universe. No other God, you know, that can come. This is amazing. Like, oh, this cat keep following. Hello, I do not like cats. I don't have. This cat just keep following us everywhere. Hey, meow, meow, meow. Listen, I'm not a fan of cats, so I really hate when they come and rub up on me, and you know, I can't. I'm a dog person, not a cat person. So the cat probably vexed because I tell it not to come around me. Hey, hello, get off my car. Pussy, pussy, get off my car. You like a get off. Bye. You need to go back home, okay? Go back inside because your girl is leaving now. All right, pussycat. I rode a bad. Ooh, my.